That's right, everybody. It's about that time, live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Listen, guys, I got a nice, clean little episode for you tonight. This one is called Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And to be honest, the way I see the market shaking up right now, it only looks like one coin is going to be able to walk away unscathed once this market settles and once all the smoke clears. We're in a very, very turbulent time right now. As you already know, Bitcoin had another big drop today from 2,800 all the way down to under 2,500 for a little bit. So right now, the way I see it, the market's not big enough for two coins. And the charts show that pretty well. But first, you know, every day on my channel, somebody got to get paid. So with that being said, if you got to this chat a little bit early, you know, it's time to cash some checks right now. So what I'm going to do is every month I give away about $100 cash money. Every day I pick somebody out this chat and they get cash sent straight to their wallet, payable in BTC. The question of the day today was, what is the price that Bitcoin and Ethereum will be 1 week from today? So basically predict the price, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the way we do it is very, very simple. I just go in and I pick somebody live on the air and throw them up in the Facebook group and pick a winner. So let's find our winner. But before we do that, I need to throw this link to this video in our Facebook group so everybody sees it. Let's go ahead and pick our winner. Who do we want? Who do we want? Again, the question of the day was, how much will Bitcoin and Ethereum be this time next week? Let's see who got some good answers. 16,130. That's not bad right there. I don't know if that's good enough. That's not bad though. 37.4. I don't know. Nathan, no, not at all. 2,000. Actually, that was pretty solid. I'm gonna give it to my man right here. You know, and what is that? Who is that? LT? Is that the LT? Dalian Tallinson? This dude right here. I know you. I've seen your comments before. I know you've been in the community for a while, so I wanted to hit you up. That's not a bad guess at all. I think Bitcoin will definitely break 2,000. I'm pretty confident about that. And Ethereum, again, is trailing way behind Bitcoin. So that will be, you know, hit pretty hard too. So I think your name is Lance. So I'm gonna copy and paste your picture in the Facebook group. I'm doing that right now. So you go ahead after this video, just comment that picture up, and then we'll get you some cash sent straight to your BTT Bitcoin wallet. And that's how we do it. Somebody getting paid every day on BK's channel. You know what I'm saying? Every day is Thanksgiving because everybody eats. Let's go. I want to make this quick too. So if we take a quick look at the market cap, we can see right now everything is just crushed. You know, it's demolished. So much money is scared. So much money is leaving. But I tell you what, when people go running, I go coming. And I actually made some money today in this market, and I'll show you how in a little bit. So the top two, bam. Bitcoin market cap 42 million, Ethereum market cap 19 million, Ethereum down 8%, Bitcoin down 6 and some change. And if you were on the intraday chart, Bitcoin actually broke under 2,500 for a little bit earlier in the day. Ethereum, again, it's above 200 right now, but it may not be there very long. First one up is Ethereum. This is the chart. This is tradingview.com. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. I am the boss of these charts. And if you tune in every day of the week, chances are you go make some money. For all my people that was rocking with me in June, you know what I'm saying? There you go. You're welcome. That's where I made a video. Wasn't very popular with a lot of Ethereum enthusiasts, but guess what? I don't care what's popular. I care about what gets paid. You know what I'm saying? So BK predicted a video called Don't Believe the Hype back in the day, right here, June 16th, I believe. And you can see what happened after that. I said sell Ethereum. It was about $360. I said it's underwater. It's going to go down. Bam! There it go. But what goes up must come down. What goes down inevitably has to bounce up. And so what I think, and look, that thing even lined up too, where we said it was bouncing at. So what we have now with Ethereum is a situation to where we're playing guess the bottom, right? This is not the bottom. Back in the day, I made this chart almost a month ago, you guys, to be honest. I haven't looked at Ethereum in a month. That's why you haven't seen any videos on it. But these are the up channels and the down channels. Again, if this is your first time watching, we have 3 trend lines, a 7, a 21, and a 77. And I put together a playlist called How to Chart Like a Boss. It's in the description. You watch the first couple videos of that playlist, and that will teach you how to have this chart set up exactly like I have it set up right now. And just to walk through it again, because I don't even think 721, there we go. 721.77, boom. And then this one should be orange. Good. Oh, wait, no, that's the DEMA. Sorry, I messed that up. Messed this thing all the way up, huh? Okay. 721, that's what it looks like. Need to just check this real quick. $77, $721. Okay. All right. So the colors are off. The 7 is green. The 21 is red. And the 77 is orange. And that's how we do it. So essentially right here, right after I made my prediction, you get the intersection of 2 different channels. You have an up channel and a down channel, right? And so now on the other side of this channel, all we're doing is matching up the different areas of consolidation, right? So that's essentially where we're at right now. But that's running out of time, and it's running out of time very quick. And once it runs out of time, it's going to drop down to the next line. So back in June, I predicted this area as our most likely reversal. And when that happens, we can even throw another spike on this thing to give us a good area. Yeah. It will most likely happen right there. How did I do that? I copy and pasted the trend line we already had, especially if that's an even. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah, I like the 20s. The 20s like me better. Oh, green to orange. Bam. Boom. Okay. So the way we're doing this, look at this. This is how you predict the future right here. That's this is my bottom prediction for Ethereum. Just like I predicted Judgment Day, I'm predicting somewhere in that yellow box is the bottom of Ethereum. Somewhere between 0.5558 and 0.42. That's a huge swing. So everybody's talking about Ethereum $200. Do not buy Ethereum for $200 because when Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down. And as you saw from the market cap, it normally goes down a little bit faster because Ethereum was gassed up way higher than Bitcoin was back here. So it has a lot of more negative momentum in it. So that means it's going to go down faster, harder, and stronger than Bitcoin did on its round, right? So that's more or less Ethereum. Just wait. That's the game we're playing. Guess the bottom, you know, and because we had all that area of consolidation on that side. Okay, so that may change my estimate a little bit because that is a big, long area right there. But we'll stick with it. We'll see. Because essentially our bottom will fall inside this box somewhere. That's a pretty long box. But, you know, we'll see. That box stretches about a month. So we'll be swinging in this area, which is good, which is good. And it might not start until there. That might be the start of it. Yeah, we'll know more in a little bit. So that's Ethereum right there. I wanted to jump into Bitcoin. So as you can see, up, down, you know, like and subscribe. You'll be able to save a lot of money that way. Even when it's going down, you can still jump in and catch the spikes. I actually did this with Bitcoin today and made some money. So now let's jump over to BTC and see how BTC is looking. This is our chart. Again, Trading View. This is a 343-minute chart. This is almost a continuation of what we've had in the past. So if you look at my previous charts, I think the last one I did was winter is coming. I more or less showed you how a lot of these different trend lines are coming together. This was actually a white line in our previous video, and I don't need these anymore. So yeah, you can see that it's a strong downtrend channel. Actually, two different downtrend channels that is pulling us on Bitcoin. You have the blue channel right there that's pulling us down, and you have this white channel right there that's pulling us down. So the only channel we had, and this is why I was able to make that prediction, the Judgment Day prediction, is because the only channel we had that was pulling us up, we fell out of. We're in it now, just barely hanging on, right? But I'll move these down a little bit so you guys can actually see the chart. So we have the blue one pulling us down, the white one pulling us down, and this green one up here was the only one we had pulling us up. And if you remember, not too long ago, I said on July 6th at 8 p.m., that was Judgment Day. And that's what I was telling you guys for about 2 weeks. And sure enough, on July 6th at 8 p.m., we confirmed with the red crossing the green that we indeed are going down. And so now with this last recent bank manipulation hedge fund spike, which threw us back above the green line, we weren't up there very long and we fell back down. So essentially, I consider this an anomaly. We should be trading and trending within that blue channel and within that white channel for sure. So it's just a matter of probably a few days before we get back down in there. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? That means Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, is going down. That means the green momentum that we had all the way through here, all that momentum we had over there is just hanging on by a little bitty thread right now. And this momentum is about to take Bitcoin under and take it deeper, right? So where are we looking? Where do we look to land with Bitcoin? I envision Bitcoin bouncing right around here, This may not be the bottom. This just may be another round of consolidation before it drops farther. But this is around 1600, right around August 14th. Everybody's talking about SegWit August 1st. To be honest, after this shakeout today, only thing I see August 1st doing is bringing us closer to that purple box. We might get like a little spike up, but then, you know, we'll come back down pretty easy. So we'll probably do something, you know, like that, like that. But ultimately, we're getting down to that box. We'll bounce around in here a little bit. And this is what the opportunity is, because with Bitcoin, you do have really, really big swings. And so, for example, for a trade today, you know, I am essentially all cash right now, except a few smaller altcoins that, you know, I'm flipping as well. You buy low, you sell high, you short basically. So when I was cashed out of Bitcoin, I saw it was really, really oversold early. And this was today. So this was on a very quick chart. I was on, and when I did this, I jumped down to a 7-minute chart actually. But this is what I saw. It was early in the morning. I was just sitting around looking at Bitcoin, and I'm like, huh. I said, that's a lot. I said, that's a lot right there. You know, and they have different metrics to help you out with this. I don't really chart this, but they have like the RSI, the MACD, the fast stochastic, different things like that. Traders know to like more or less help you understand when like something has fallen too far. So essentially that's like 12%, right? In like 2 hours, 3 hours. And I'm like, yeah, that's way too much. This thing has to bounce. So I bought down here right at 24.50. You know, I cashed out. I already had, you know, a few Bitcoin just sitting around from me selling, cashing out the altcoins. So I essentially bought in right there on the Bitcoin, sold it. Not even 2 hours later, I sold it right about there, you know, because I didn't care about that. I don't care about that. I cashed in 5% in 2 hours, you know, and, you know, with that, I was profitable on the day. The whole market is down 8% and BK made 5%. So even though the market is down, it's not hard to be profitable, to make money if you are patient and if you're not greedy and if you understand where to take risks, right? And with that being said, that is the biggest thing, you know, I wanted to address on this video is the ability to be profitable. Because as I've mentioned before, there is a profit package that I put together. These are hand selected, 10 different coins that, you know, I've spent about 2 months picking. And I will tell you right now, only one of the coins that we talked about today is on that list. I'm not going to tell you which one, but only one is on that list. And once you get it, you will see right away why I chose that coin. Even when the market goes down, I show you how to make money to bounce right back, right? This list is $15. There's a link in the description called BK's Profit Package. You click it, boom, you get an email for the download, and now you have it. Even since putting out this list, even with the market being down, I'm pretty sure this list is still up 10 or 20% this week. I'll have to actually go in and add them up, but I think this thing is still holding on. It's at least outpacing the downturn in the market, you know, severely. In addition to that, we do have the #1 Bitcoin group in the world on Facebook. The doors are always open. I invite you to come on in and join us. We talk charts 24/7. 5,306 members, about 8 mods from all over the globe. We got all corners of the world covered, you know, so 24 hours a day we are on these charts. And you see, you know, we have a very vibrant community. I reached out to the people. What should today's video be about? You know, and the thing that had the most votes, your updated Bitcoin chart. right? So one thing I wanted to do, I wanted to give you the Bitcoin chart, but I also wanted to compare it, to Ethereum and let you guys, see the opportunity to make money with both of them, right? Um, so again, with that, the profit pack is definitely a very, very, very popular pick for us right now. It's $15. You click that little icon. Oh wow, did we sell out? Oh wow, I gotta update that. So yeah, as soon as I get off this thing, give me about 10 minutes and this will be updated for everybody live on the air, watching this on YouTube. That will be updated. Wow, we sold out already. Well, that shows you it's the profit is profitable and popular. In addition to that, I do offer one-on-one meetings. I had one today with my man Brian up in Canada. You know what I'm saying? It's always lovely to talk to my man, Big Bri up in Canada. So if you're interested in setting up some one-on-one time with me just to go over cryptos or, go into any charts in depth or just to learn more, you can do that as well. The link in the description will take you to a page like this. You click on tickets, and then ultimately that will get you to a link that goes straight to my calendar. So you pick whatever day and whatever time works for you. If you wanted to do lunch on Saturday, 1 p.m., bam, there you go. It's just that easy. What I try to do is I try to empower my people. I try to make you money every day of the week. I make videos 6-7 days a week. So congratulations. If you are just now joining us, you can stop watching all the other videos and start rocking with the boss. I keep it fun, I keep it entertaining, I keep it enlightening, and I keep it amazing. And yes, your boy is on LinkedIn too. And yes, your boy got an interview with Reggie Middleton that is coming out this week. I'll probably release that thing tomorrow, if not the day after. It's about 2 hours of footage, you guys. Some solid, amazing content. If you have not learned about Veritasium, this is your opportunity. It's an amazing coin. It is the future. This is a question I asked Reggie, back when I was on his couch in his office. I was like, Reggie, you on the Forbes list? And he looked at me and laughed. He said, I'll never be on the Forbes list. I can't afford his socks. So it's like this dude got, it's amazing. He's a really, really great dude. It was awesome getting to know him and his wife, and I look forward to being able to share our conversation with you as well. So in addition to the interview, that was just a pic I posted a couple days ago on LinkedIn. Your boy's on LinkedIn too, BK Crypto Trader, flame on. You know what I'm saying? Got the hot fire on the charts, so come find me on LinkedIn, add me to your network, and that's it. Lastly, shout out to my man Lev. This dude is the coolest dude I know out in West Africa right now, out in Cape Town. So happy birthday, man. This a big guy in our community. He's been with me from one of the first videos I ever did. And I saw this on Facebook. So I thought I'd just take a minute to wish him a happy birthday. So with that being said, I want everybody in the chat right now. We are a global community, people. So right now, I'll need you to shout out to country, right? Shout out to country for me. I need a kaleidoscope of countries. I need everybody watching this video, all the thousands of views we go get on this video, that we can just show the world that we are one. We are global. We are many, right? We are positive. We are loving, and we will be profitable. Please believe that. And after that, that's pretty much how everything goes. So let's just jump over in the chat. I'm gonna leave my man Lev, the birthday boy up here. So let's see who we got right now. All right. Here we go. So we got Philippines in the building, Utah, USA, Colorado, Hong Kong, Afghanistan, Iraq, Tasmania, Toronto, the USA, Norway, US of A, Chicken, Mexico, Texas is its own country, Iraq was good, China was going on, Australia was happening, New York, USA, Antarctica. I didn't even know they had the internet in Antarctica. You learn something every day. From Brazil to the Bay, Big Lance. I see you out there. That's right. Germany, Utah, USA, Hong Kong, Netherlands, Portugal, Funky Town, H-Town, downtown, right? ETHEREUM. You know what I'm saying? Boston, Massachusetts, Big Joseph, what up, baby? I appreciate the thumbs up and the pow, pow, bang, bangs. You know, Panama, man, Canada, London. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is why we have a global community. We are loving, we are profitable, we are positive, and we will always empower each other. You know what I'm saying? Only thing I do is I look at the charts, I draw lines, I'll draw circles, and I try to help people at the end of the day. And by helping one, we help all, you know. It wasn't too long ago. I was working for $2 an hour plus tips in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, bussing tables at a Mexican restaurant. Now I'm trading, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bitcoin with no problem, you know. So it's not too long till everybody hearing my voice will be able to do the same. If you believe it, you can achieve it. And once you receive it, then we conceive it inside of each other and we seed it into the future. With that being said, guys, it's that time of the day. No matter where you stay, from Brazil to the Bay, California, keep it positive, baby. Good night, good morning, and good day. Y'all take it easy. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. On the flip side, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.